Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find old closed DMs on Discord Mobile. This tutorial is straightforward, so follow along carefully to learn the steps. Before we begin, make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in your device's App Store or Play Store. Keeping the app updated ensures that you have the latest features and fixes for any known issues. Now, open your Discord app on your mobile device. I will show you two steps in this tutorial. First, how to close a DM, and then how to find and reopen a closed DM. To start, tap on the Messages icon at the top of the Discord app. This will open your list of direct messages. Here, you will see all your active DMs. To close a DM, find the chat you want to close, then tap and hold on the conversation. A menu will appear. From the options, select Close DM. This will remove the chat from your list of active DMs. But don't worry, the conversation is not deleted. It is only hidden and can be reopened later. Now let's find a closed DM. To do this, you need to remember the username or a part of the username of the person whose DM you closed. Once you recall the username, tap on the search bar at the top of the app. Type the username into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. When you see the profile of the person you are looking for, tap on it. This will reopen the closed DM. Once the DM is reopened, it will reappear in your list of active messages on the main DM page. From here, you can continue your conversation as normal. That's all you need to do to find and reopen old closed DMs on Discord Mobile. It's a simple process that requires just a few steps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.